we have just arrived at the MGM Grand, right? And we have this seal here that says that the room has been cleaned. And, well, she didn't break the seal, but it's gonna
break off quite.
Oh God, it does smell like the devil's lettuce in here. She just sprayed down there. It smells heavily of the devil's lettuce in here. Ooh. We saw her coming out of the room and she like sprayed it down for us. All right, let's see. Let's set our bags down. I'm gonna set mine right here in the hallway. Real quick and easy. All right, so let's start off with the bathroom. And by the way, we are in a non-smoking room, so she was saying it should not even smell. Oh wow, look how bright that is. I'm not gonna show myself because I just got off a flight and I look bad. But we have a hair dryer down here, some towels, a little trash can. It's very cute, nice little setup. Of course, a little mirror. Then if you wish to decline a housekeeping service, you can. See, at Universal, you're just not getting it at all during your stay. Toilet right here, little painting, place to hang your towel. Oh wow, look at this lovely shower. I don't know what this thing is, but it's probably good. I'm gonna say it's something good. Another thing for your towel. Hello, Stephanie.
Hello.
Let's see, we have a little closet here. What's in here? Of course, this little rack to put your suitcase. Oh, great, so they have bags so you can put your dirty clothes in. Iron and ironing board, some hangers. Right, and the actual room. So let's see, where is the light for the room? Is it over there somewhere? Actually, hello! We're here, this is the mirror. So, where's the fridge? I think it's somewhere right here.
Sorry.
I don't know what's supposed to be in here, but I feel like something was supposed to be in there. So we have all these little outlets. So I guess if you want to like play music or something maybe? I'm not really sure. That's Stephanie's monster. That does not come with the room.
Sorry, I had to put it somewhere.
Of course, we got the drawers here. We got 3 of them. The TV. Okay, so the mini bar, don't open it, Stephanie, because if you pick something up, it automatically charges you. So let me show them. Oh yeah, here is the prices. Bacardi rum, $16. Oh wow. Sprite is $10. That's insane. How do I open this? I don't know how to open it, but it doesn't really matter because I don't want to accidentally touch anything. And it looks like there's a way to lock it, which is weird. All right, and these are the beds. Look at that beautiful painting, all pink. Let's see, in-room dining. Okay, great. So you just scan that code on your phone. You have this like fancy looking alarm clock. More outlets for your phone. We got a couple drawers here that are pretty deep. And Stephanie, you want to show them the view?
Sure. If I can get it done right.
That's the coolest part.
That's that one.
All right, while she's doing that, it looks like there's a note up here that talks about, you know, just all the safety stuff. So I did want to say the girl was really nice, but we did see her coming out of our room like she had just cleaned it without a mask. And she was really nice. I'd said something to her about it, and she said that she was going to come in and spray the room, but she was going to want to do it anyway because of the smell. But she just like literally just took a spray thing just in the air. So I don't know what that has to do with her actually cleaning and touching surfaces. She didn't actually clean anything. So if she has COVID, well, we have COVID all over everything in the hotel room now. Yeah, a couple chairs. And then I thought we got a strip view, although I don't really see much of a strip view. We're at the MGM Grand, so there's Excalibur, there's New York, New York. Park Empty, yeah, I guess it's kind of a strip view. Hopefully it'll look super pretty at night. I will add what that looks like in. Let's see. The slide over here on the desk also has a thing to charge your phone. Is this a radio? What is this?
I think it's an air purifier
Oh, okay.
because it's on.
You know, let's see what this stuff is. And it looks like we got like a little gift. Okay. Here's the remote that says it was clean even though the girl was not wearing a mask and was breathing on it. Let's see what this is. Oh, great. We get a little hand sanitizer. Oh, look, we get masks. That's the MGM Grand. That's kind of cool. So if you're worried about not having enough masks that are clean or whatever, you get a couple right here. And what are these? Are these bottle openers or something?
I think so.
Wow, is it bad that I don't even know that and I'm in Vegas? Cool, you get to keep this little bag.
We get masks at San MGM Grand?
Yep.
One for each of us?
Yep.
That is so cool.
All right.
Cute little souvenir.
Yes. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching.